Hi everyone, welcome to It's Already Yours. This video is designed to give you powerful beauty. Let's affirm together by listening to this audio. I am a beautiful woman. I love my hair. My beauty is the greatest gift. The more I love myself, the more beautiful I become. My body is sexy and gorgeous. I have a great sense of style, and it shows in what I wear and how I present myself. I choose to laugh and enjoy life because it's what truly makes me beautiful. I am extremely attractive. I am beautiful inside out. I am comfortable in my own skin and I exude confidence. My radiant smile highlights my natural beauty. My body is sexy and gorgeous. My inner beauty shines brightly. I have a positive self-image. I accept myself unconditionally. My imperfections make me unique. I am beautiful in body, mind, and spirit. I am bold, beautiful, and brilliant. My body is fit, tone, and shape. I am satisfied with how I look. I love to exercise and eat healthily. I carry positive thoughts that make me appear gorgeous. Every day, in every way, I am getting more and more beautiful.